Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to move blocks in the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. Whether you're using WordPress version 5.5 or one of the most recent updates released in 2026, these techniques are all about mastering those quick rearrangements that keep your pages looking sharp and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several simple yet powerful ways to reposition any block, from a single sentence to entire sections of your site. Let's jump right in. First up is the move handles method using the arrows. This is probably the most straightforward way to nudge a block up or down, one spot at a time. Start by selecting the block you want to move. You can do this by clicking on the block itself, and you'll see a contextual toolbar pop up right above or sometimes just below your selected block. Now look for the up and down arrow icons. These are your move handles. Click the up arrow to move your block higher or the down arrow to shift it lower. If you can't see these arrows right above your block, don't worry, they might be pinned to the top of your editor, especially if you've switched to the top toolbar view. In that case, just glance up to the main toolbar and you should spot the move handles there. This method is perfect if you need to shuffle a paragraph, heading, or image just one space, like tidying up a checklist or giving your intro text a place of prominence. Remember, moving one block at a time means you can make precise adjustments without accidentally rearranging larger sections of your page layout. Next, let's talk about drag and drop, my personal favorite for moving blocks across greater distances. If you need to seriously reorganize your content, this is often the quickest way. Here, how you do it: select your block and you'll notice a 6-dot icon on the contextual toolbar. This is like a handle you can grab. Think of it as grabbing the lever of a claw machine, except what you're moving is editorial gold, not stuffed animals. Click and hold those dots, then drag the block to its new home on the page. As you move, you'll see a blue line appear. That line shows exactly where your block will land when you release the mouse. This visual aid is super helpful, especially when your page starts getting crowded with various elements. Don't worry if you miss the mark on the first try, just drag and drop again until it looks perfect to you. Now let's look at the list view, which is honestly a game changer if you're working with complex layouts, lots of nested blocks, or long pages. Sometimes your content gets so layered that clicking and dragging directly on the editor just isn't practical. Here, what you do, find the list view icon in the top left toolbar. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click it and a sidebar will open up showing you a hierarchical list of every block on your page. It's a bit like having an outline or a contents page for your layout. Locate the block you want to move in this list. Now you can click and drag it up or down the list, exactly where you need it to go. This method is fantastic for untangling those tricky groups of nested blocks, say, rearranging an entire testimonial section or shifting a gallery inside a column. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to this view. Once you master it, you'll save a ton of time on future edits. And that's it, 3 reliable ways to move blocks in WordPress's block editor, whether you're on version 5.5 or something brand new. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you've got questions about block editing or want more WordPress tips, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.